this is Mrs. Ross, and we're going to walk through this hands-on lab modeling the analysis of the fossils. So here it gives you kind of a background. It says you will analyze fossil data to identify evidence of extinction and the appearance of new species over time. Scientists compare fossil evidence from different places on Earth. They observe certain fossil types in different layers. In some layers they observe disappearance of certain fossils. In some layers they observe the appearance of new fossils. By determining the relative age of rock layers that contains fossils, scientists can identify these patterns. So what you need are colored pencils and scissors. Let's move this down. Procedure, it says refer to the sedimentary rock layers from 4 locations shown on the next page. That's referring to these 4 columns, location 1, 2, 3, and 4. It says cut out the rock sequence from each location, then line them up so the rock layers with similar compositions are side by side. My suggestion is before you cut them out, it says the different colors represent different types of sedimentary rock. The symbols within the rock layers represent different types of fossils. So before you cut them out, you can see there's a square, squiggle, I guess, kind of shell, kind of hourglass. And let's see, so if I were to make this blue, I would make this blue. This is also, but it has a background that goes that direction. So this would also be blue, and this would also be blue. And then if I were going to color, let's see, this layer has the square squiggle hourglass, but it has dots in the background. So this could be orange, or this could be orange. It would be here, and it would be here. So you're going to kind of go through and color the layers that are the same in each one, if there are indeed layers that are the same in each one. This one's a little bit darker, and it has dots. So this looks like it's about the same, so I'll make that. And then this one and this one. And then let's see, we've got one more layer that they could potentially all have. Let's see. This has this strange looking U-bar thing. So I would say that's this, that's here, and that's here. So then we kind of need to see, are there any that go together? Like this one has the bubbles in the background, this one has bubbles, this one has bubbles. Let's see, color I haven't used, purple. So this one kind of has bricks in the background. I don't know. This one has bricks too, so this could be purple and this could be purple. Either way, I would go ahead and color these, because what you're going to end up doing is cutting them out and then lining them up. So you're going to line up this yellow with this yellow with this yellow with this yellow, this orange with this orange with this orange with this orange. So you're going to line it all up. It says analyze the fossil types found in different layers, identify species that appear to have gone extinct based on fossil data. How would we know if they had gone extinct? If they miss a layer. Okay, and you'll be able to see it much better when you line them up together. So a fossil, what they want you to do here is they want you to draw the symbols of 3 different fossils, one from the oldest layer, one from the youngest layer, and then one fossil that goes extinct, which means it starts at an old layer, but it doesn't end up at a different layer. And then you have these questions. What patterns in the rock layer fossils help you identify extinction? Okay. Why is it necessary to see a similar pattern of change in fossils from different places in order to conclude an extinction happened? It says analyze fossil types in the youngest layer, which would be on the top. Which of these fossil species appeared first in the fossil record? Which appeared most recently, and how do you know? So once you finish this, go ahead and your best bet, since you've cut this out, somehow you're going to need to affix this to your lab. Yeah, I would, let's staple it. Let's staple, once you get these lined up, maybe tape it together or staple it and then staple it to this actual lab so you can turn it in. But shouldn't take too long, and if you have any questions, let me know.